Okay, so today we're gonna do a filter service on our refrigerator. We are actually changing the water filter and also the air filter inside your refrigerator. That's actually mostly, so if you have like some, let's say vegetables which have a smell to it or so, that actually eliminates that. And what you also need to change the water filter would be something like this, and I'll show you later. And next step would be we go into the refrigerator and change the filter. Okay, alrighty, so I've actually just replaced a few days ago the air filter, but the air filter, or here it's called FreshFlow, you would actually find somewhere located here, and you just pop that in and out. And now we're gonna replace the water filter. So you see the water filter has an arrow which points upwards, but you see the same symbol actually also here. So just make sure it's aligned. We take the old water filter out, and then we put the new one in, and then just make sure that these arrows are aligned. You pop it in like so, and then you just snap it close. You see it's closed now. And now I show you the last step. Okay, so there are two things you want to do. First, we're going to tell the refrigerator that we replaced the filter. And now sorry, I have locked it. Let's just unlock it, and now I'm telling it that we replaced the filter. Now it knows we replaced the filter. I'm actually locked that. So now the most important thing you want to flush water through the new filter. Oops, sorry. Okay, yeah, should have tried that before. Anyways, so now you're gonna hear some strange noises. That's when actually you see that's when you need to flush out the air of the filter. So you want to do at least one of these cups. Sometimes you want to do even more, and you do it as long as you do not hear these noises or you don't see any air coming out. So it appears we flushed the system already, but we're gonna do it a second time, and I tell you why. Because there is often a little bit like the carbon in that filter, and we just want to get that out, so we don't want to have like black ice cubes. And it actually appears it's fine now. So you see the water stream is running constantly. There are no hiccups anymore, and well, that's how you change the water and the air filter in your refrigerator.